Hello, CUSD families. We are so excited to share with you all about our preschool programs here in CUSD. Our early childhood programs currently serve over 1,100 preschoolers across 49 classrooms in both general education and special education classrooms. No matter the classroom, we believe in providing high-quality, supportive, inclusive, and nurturing environments where all children can thrive. Our preschool classrooms share a common philosophy and focus, which is on the whole child. This means that our educators spend time focusing on all aspects of development, including cognitive, language and communication, motor, and social-emotional development. Our preschool programs implement a daily routine and instructional strategies that support both academics and other important skills needed to be successful scholars and get them ready for kindergarten. Rooted in developmentally appropriate practices that align with the California Preschool Foundations of Learning, preschoolers are exposed to a variety of meaningful learning experiences within their preschool day. Our preschoolers participate in important daily activities such as circle time, music and movement, outdoor play, and free play. Our preschoolers also participate in centers, which have a focus on language and literacy, math, science, and art. Opportunities to practice social skills, self-regulation skills, and self-care skills are also provided each day. If you were to visit any one of our preschool classrooms, you may see children engaged in structured activity, or you may see the child engaged in play. And while it may seem that our students are just playing, we know that play has a critical role in children's learning and development. These programs are great. Speaking to you as your superintendent and also as a very satisfied former CUSD preschool mom. Finally, it's important to highlight that in addition to providing high-quality experiences here in our preschool programs, we also believe in creating and fostering partnerships with our families. We appreciate the opportunity to work closely with all of you and creating strong homeschool connections to support our youngest learners. Please visit our website, capousd.org, click on Schools and Early Childhood Development to learn more about our fabulous preschool programs, enrollment information, and upcoming preschool webinars. We look forward to welcoming your young learner.